Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And stocks are eyeing gains for the second week in a row, albeit very slightly. And we'll start with the S&P 500, which did give us a brand new green weekly trade triangle at 2,884.97 this week. Pushing the chart analysis score to plus 90 with green trade triangles across the board, indicating that you could be in a possible long position to the upside for the S&P 500. However, the other two main indexes remain mixed at the present time, so I would definitely hold off to see what happens. Key level to watch moving forward would be 2,728.81. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position. Currently up about 0.3% on the week after gaining a little over 4% last week. Haven't quite gained everything we lost in May, but we're on the way up. We'll have to see what the news coming out of the Fed on next week, which are 5 days away from that on Wednesday. So definitely keep an eye on that. Moving along to the dollar index, lost 1% last week, has bounced back and gaining about 1% this week, trading at 97.53 with a chart analysis score plus 60, indicating that we are still in a sidelines position for the US dollar. Key level to watch remains 98.17. A move above that level would give us a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a possible long position for the US dollar. Dow Jones currently trading at 26,072.55, up about 0.3% on the week. In red territory for the day, but only right around 40 points or so. Had gained 4.7% last week. Currently, chart analysis scores plus 60. We have a red monthly trade triangle and a green weekly trade triangle in play, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for the Dow. Key level to watch would be 24,680.57. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a possible long-term short position for the Dow. NASDAQ currently gaining about 0.6% on the day, trading at 7,795.83 after gaining 3.8% last week. Key level to watch will be 7,292.22. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, pushing the chart analysis score lower from its plus 60 level as it currently stands. Crude oil, the only one of the major things that markets that we follow this week that's in negative territory, currently down 2.5% on the week, trading at 52.70 with a chart analysis score negative 90, indicating that overall the long-term trend is down and gaining strength to the downside. The loss is really the last 4 weeks. We've only had one positive week last week where it was up 1.3%. So that long-term trend for crude oil is definitely looking lower. Key level to watch would be 52.86. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a short-term sidelines position for crude oil. Gold continuing its move higher with its fourth straight week of gains, currently up about 0.5% on the week with a chart analysis score plus 90 with green trade triangles across the board. Currently trading at 1,347.50. Key level to watch should be 1,331.60. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term sidelines position for gold. We'll wrap it up with Bitcoin, who's outperforming everybody this week, up 2% on the day and up 6.7% on the week, bouncing back from an 8% loss last week, trading back above that $8,000 level at 8,396.51 with a chart analysis score plus 100, indicating that we're still in a long-term uptrend for Bitcoin. But it seems to be trapped in this range between 8,500 and 8,000 as really the last 4 weeks we've been stuck in that area, so we'll have to keep an eye on that moving forward. Key level to watch would be 7,432.84. Move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. Every success. Have a great trading week. Next week, I will be out of the office and on vacation, so you won't see any video updates for me, but I will be posting to the blog with some relevant information for you. So enjoy your week. I'll be back the week after, and we'll have to see what the Fed says on Wednesday.